Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change WhatsApp background wallpaper on Android. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone and open the WhatsApp application. Once inside, you'll see the main screen with your chats menu. Step 2. Now, look at the top right of your screen, where you'll find 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Tap on them. Step 3. Next, locate the Settings option and tap on it. Step 4. Now, locate the Chats option and tap on it. Step 5. Next, find the Wallpaper option. Tap on it and select the Change option. Step 6. Now browse through the multiple wallpaper options and select the one you like. Step 7. For the last and most important step, choose the picture you want as your wallpaper. Then tap Set Wallpaper to change your WhatsApp background instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips. Thanks for watching.